Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a series that I'm going to start about Autodesk Inventor. People who does not know about Inventor is a software for engineers. You can make any kind of engineering part in different way on Inventor. Also, you can analyze the part or material. Okay, so before I start this series, I want you to download this software on your PC or laptop. It's easy to get from its official website of Autodesk. I have also downloaded this software from its website, the student version. Now let's talk in brief about content of this series. First we have parts. In this we are going to draw simple 2D figure just like AutoCAD and we can convert it into 3D model. Next we have assembly. In this we are going to merge the parts. And third we have drawing. Now don't get confused between drawing and parts. They both are different. It's about presentation in 2D drawing, so it's different. Next we have animation. In this we are going to give motion to the model parts that moves in a particular direction. And the last we have assembly environment. In this we are going to analyze the part or material. So this is the content of Autodesk Inventor. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget to download this software on your PC or laptop before I start this series. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos of this series. Thanks for watching. See you next video.